Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really getting into the weeds of multi-camera production, specifically the absolute backbone of it, Genlock synchronization.
Right, the technology that makes seamless live switching even possible.
Exactly. And we're going to explore it through a very specific piece of kit, the AIDA Imaging GCON-HDMI Genlock converter. We want to understand not just what it does, but why it's so critical.
And it's a perfect example. It's a rugged, portable little box.
Yeah, looking at it, it takes a standard HDMI input, right? Up to 1080p 60.
It does. But its whole job, its entire reason for being is that conversion process. It takes that HDMI feed and turns it into broadcast-ready Genlock SDI or 3G SDI, and it even gives you a clean HDMI loop out.
And the key there is latency, or rather, the lack of it.
Zero latency. That's the guarantee. It's engineered so the integrity of your original source is completely untouched as it enters that professional workflow.
Okay, so let's tackle the big idea here for a second. Genlock. I mean, if you're running, say, 3 cameras, why can't you just plug them all into a switcher and start cutting? What makes something like tri-level sync so necessary?
It's the master timekeeper. Without it, it's chaos. Think of it like this. Each of your cameras is its own clock, and they're all just a tiny, tiny fraction of a second off from each other.
Imperceptible to the naked eye, I'd imagine.
To your eye, yes, but not to a video switcher. When it tries to cut between those out-of-phase signals, you get a glitch, a jump.
A hard cut.
A very ugly hard cut. Tri-level sync gives every single device, the cameras, the converters, the switcher, the exact same reference pulse. So they all hit that invisible line between video frames, the vertical interval, at the exact same moment. That's what gives you a seamless switch.
And this GCON unit is built to fit right into those demanding systems.
Oh, absolutely. It's highly compliant. It handles simultaneous SDI and HDMI outputs and sticks to really strict industry standards.
Like SMPTE 424M.
Yep, that's your 3G SDI standard. It gives you that full 1080p signal over really long cable runs. But where this little box really shines is the microcontrol it offers.
You're talking about adjusting the V-Sync and H-Sync phases?
Precisely. This isn't just a set-it-and-forget-it converter. You can go in and manually tweak the vertical and horizontal timing.
So if one of your cable runs is extra long and introducing a tiny bit of delay,
you can correct for it. You can nudge that signal right back into perfect sync. It's an incredible level of precision. And beyond that, it also supports ancillary data through SMPTE 352 payload ID.
So it's not just video, it's carrying metadata.
Yes. Things like timecode, tally signals, all the control data that a downstream switcher needs to see, it all passes through.
And it's kind of amazing how many diagnostic tools they've managed to pack into this thing, considering it weighs, what, 173 grams?
It's basically a field technician in your pocket. It has a built-in pattern generator with 13 different test patterns.
Invaluable for troubleshooting on location.
For sure. And you control it all from a little built-in LCD screen, which even lets you do divisional picture comparisons. It's a converter, a sync generator, and a diagnostic tool all in one.
Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the logistics of actually getting this into your workflow. The price is currently listed at $495.
Right, and there's a really important detail in that price. It already includes a 15% tariff that AIDA implemented back on October 9th, 2025.
So if you're price shopping and see an older quote, you know why there might be a difference. The price you see now is the all-in price.
Exactly, no surprises. And the support package from the supplier, HDTV Supply, is solid.
Free shipping in the U.S., 30-day free returns.
A 2-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. They clearly have a lot of confidence in this piece of gear.
So to sum it all up, this compact GCON HDMI is that crucial bridge. It gets your consumer HDMI into the broadcast SDI world, and its entire purpose is to provide that flawless synchronization with Genlock.
It's what makes professional multi-cam switching actually work. And that, leads us to a final thought for you to consider. Since a device like this can handle complex formats, like 59.94 Hertz, and lets you manually adjust H-Sync and V-Sync phases, how does that incredible level of precise manual timing control fundamentally change the way you can manage a really complex, live, high-resolution broadcast in today's production